Hello, welcome to Sewing with Carolina. I am here to show you the easy and accurate way on how to make a sleeve pattern. First, we will get the actual measurement of the armhole, front and back, and divide it into two. So our armhole measurement is 42.8 centimeters. We have this pattern paper folded in half. From the top edge, we place a guideline. Then for our bust line, we get bust measurement divided by 10 plus 3 centimeters seam allowance. So that is 90.2 centimeters divided by 10 plus 3 centimeters is equal to 12 centimeters. Then we measure down 12 centimeters. And then draw a line. That is our bust line. This is our bust line. Then we will measure the armhole line. The total measurement of the front and back armhole that we measured a while ago is 42.8 centimeters. Minus 1 centimeter is equal to 41.8 centimeters. We divide it into 2 and that is 21 centimeters. We mark this. From the center edge, we will draw a line to the bust line. So this is our armhole line. So from our armhole line, we divide it into 3. On the third point to the left, we divide it into 2. Okay, so from the top center edge, we measure 2 centimeters. Then from the first point, we go up 2 centimeters. And the last point to the left, we go down 0.5 of a centimeter. Then we connect these points. If you're struggling to make a curve, you can use the armhole curve ruler. Okay, so next, we measure down sleeve length. That is 17.8 centimeters. Okay, I'll just double check the measurement. 17.8 centimeters. Then we draw a line. That's our sleeve length level or sleeve length line. Then we measure sleeve width or cuff measurement. 28 centimeters divided by 2 plus 1 centimeter is equal to 15 centimeters. Then we connect. Then we go up 1 centimeter and then connect with a slight curve using hip curve ruler. Then we will measure down 2.5 centimeters for the hem. And then we connect again. Oops, sorry, this should be connected here. Then we will place 1 centimeter seam or sewing allowance. And then we will cut the pattern. But before cutting, we need to fold first the hem line to check if they are aligned. Make sure that you fold the hemline first before cutting. Okay, so this is our back and this is our front pattern. For the front pattern, we will get the midpoint. And from the midpoint, we go down 1 centimeter and then we reshape it. Okay, and then we cut this to get our front pattern. So this is our front and this is our back. So this is our sleeve pattern.